So good day once again, and we have meet again. And today we are here to do some small app which will convert text to speech. So when you type in your words or you feed the system with your words, then it will convert it to speech and play it for you. So first of all, let's go and create the new project. So new project. Then under the new project, let's select let's wait for it to load a while. All right. So you select your VB, you just basically select your Windows and classic desktop. So let's give it a name of voice test test to test to speech. So let's give it that name, and then also let's browse and then give it a directory where we are going to put our file. So it's my final year project. So let's select this one and then okay. So let's wait for it to build and create this project. So after that, then you start coding. So you just text to speech. So when you feed the computer with your words, give it with your words, then it will convert the words that you type in to speech, and then it will read it to you, and also you can increase the volume and also the speed of the speech. But that one will always go. We have the session. First one we did part one, part two. So part one, let's see how we design the form. Right. So those are first form that we have. So let me increase a bit. Okay. So there's form one. There's the title of the form. You can change the title, which is the form one text to text to speech app. Right. So hit enter it there. Okay, so let's change the background of this form. So this is the back color. Use the back color, you change the back color to any color that it will suit you. So let me use my tool. So all right. So this is my color. All right. So what are the controls or what are the tools that you will need? You need a text box, either use a text box or use a rich text box. So since it's plenty words, let's use rich text box because the text box will only take let's use so let's use rich text box. This is my rich text box. Let's drop it. So increase the size of the rich text box. Okay. So this is my rich text box. So let's give it a name. Let's give the name a name to this text box. It's only rich text box one. So let me make it message box. So that's the place that we are going to put our message. And also we will need a button, and that button is when you click on that button, then it will just convert your speech. It will just convert your words to speech. So let me increase the button and give it a type a button like btn underscore convert. Okay, let's change the text of the button to speak. So speak whatever is in the message box. So anything that you type in is you can speak, it can change. So let's say the font size to maybe um, 15, 15 small, 20, and this one to say 12, yeah, about. So part one, we have a simple one here, and also you can give a title using the title, the label, set a label here, and the label you change the text to the size, font size to let's say 14, and make it 15, and then change the color to white. That's the four color to any color that you want, and also let's change the text to simple text to speech app. Enter, hit enter. So let's give it a title like that. All right, so this is the design. So let's go into the coding where you convert. So you double click on the speak, but the speak is the button that when you hit on it, then it will convert whatever in this box, in this message box to speech. So let's give it. All right, let me hide this one too. So this is our form one and this is our button. So you can that date you can change the name of the button also to I change it to convert. So let me double click on it. So btn convert dot click. Simple code. So before you can do it, or before you can change it, we have to assign some variables. So let's name um let's name speech. Let's name speech as not as just name speech. Let's name speech. And then let's call speech. Right. Should be speech should be equal to, let's assign something to speech. So we create an object. So let's create an object and call the object. So we create an object and then inside the object we call sappy, which is the converter sappy.sp voice. So now we convert this small line of code, it converts whatever in the message box to speech. All right. So let's pick whatever in the message box. So we go by saying speech dot speak into brackets and message box dot text. What is in it? And message box dot text. So whatever thing is in this message box should come out as a voice. All right. So let's run it and see if it'll work. Yeah, ensure it will work. Just a simple code, just a simple line of code. It converts the text to speech. And then in the next part, we will learn how we add the volume and then how we increase the speed of the speech, the speed that is coming out. Yes. So let's give it a small time for it to build up and then give us the interface where you can input words and then you make fun. That's a simple line of code. It's very, very good. So when you're able to do this, you can add it to let's say a diary that you're building. Can add it to a project that contains a lot of words. Like you build a quote app. So inside the quote app, if the person don't want to read, the person can just hit on speak, and then to convert everything in the quote, every word in that quote, and then it speaks to the person. It makes it very simple and very easy. Yeah. So let's see where is our design. When finish building, let's give it an ample time, just a few time for it to get set up. It depends on your machine that you're using. Yeah, how fast it goes. It's how fast it's gonna build. So our next video, our next part, we're going to insert the volume and then that of the rate, so the speed of the voice. Okay, so where's my project? Test the speed process. Okay, yes. Okay, so this is our project that's already finished building. So let me type something here. Uh, Winners. Oh, let's speak. Let's see how it's gonna give a voice.
Winner.
Winner. So let's say please subscribe to our channel. Yeah, more videos. Let's pick it out.
Please subscribe to our channel and get more videos.
Sure. So this is a voice of a man. So let's say please you are welcome to hello what speak.
Please, you are welcome to Hello World.
Yeah, so it's working, right? Yeah. So let's on our second part. So this one has been able to convert the text to speech first. So let's move to our second part.